everyone, welcome to another exciting phonics lesson. Today we are going to learn about rhyming words with vowel E. Rhyming words are words that sound the same at the end. The efforts become better readers and spellers. Are you ready? Let's go. Ben, man, then, hand, pen, leg, beg, beg, keg, wed, lead, fed, red, bed, bell, well, tell, fell, fell, set, wet, met, get, let. If you find this video helpful, please click like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks.